Sisters can suffer a lot of damage to their relationships. In this video, 16-year-old Louise suffers from anorexia with bouts of bulimia. In this script, she and her sister talk about the illness and its impact on their once close relationship. You may want to watch it as a family.
Can I come in, please?
Why? You made it pretty clear last night on how you felt about me. How'd you put it? My interfering nature?
I know I was in the wrong. I guess I owe you an apology for last night.
I just get so tired of it, Layla. You know, we're both under a lot of pressure. We both have exams. I really try. But sometimes it just feels like you're doing this out of spite. You know, trying to get attention. Mum and Dad are at their wits' end. And sometimes it feels like it's so difficult to accept that this is actually an illness and it's not just you being a total pain in the ass.
I get angry with myself. You know, I start off every day I wake up and I say, today I'm going to try so hard. I'm going to stick by that meal plan. Today's the day for change. Then it all goes belly up. I realise I'm being such a pain, that life as we know it is no more.
But it can be, Layla. If you just let it. I want my sister back, can't you see that? I want to play tennis with you again. I want to go to the movies. I want to do normal things like we used to do. I buy popcorn. Even a suggestion like that would spark off World War III these days.
I know it's difficult for you to understand, for anyone to understand. I think Dad thinks I'm doing it on purpose, for the attention-seeking bit. And Mum just breaks my heart to see how much hurt I'm causing, you know? Sometimes I feel life would be better if I wasn't around.
I'm not going to listen to this, Layla. I'm not just going to sit here and listen to this. I want my sister back. All I want is for a long and happy future ahead of us. And we can have that. We'll go on holiday. We'll be bridesmaids at each other's weddings. We'll have kids. I want you to be the greatest aunt ever to my kids when they come along. That's the only future I can think about. I won't, and I can't even contemplate a future where you weren't around.
Please don't. Makes me feel even worse.
Yeah, well, that's reality, isn't it? This illness, it freaks the living daylights out of me. I see you undress at night and I just freeze with fear. And it's not just that, you know. We don't talk anymore. We don't laugh or joke about stuff anymore. You don't come with me on our dog walks anymore. I so miss all that. I so miss our conversations about everything and nothing. Even a year ago we used to do that, didn't we, Layla? It seems like an eternity since we had a real carefree conversation about guys or clothes. Do you remember how we used to play that game? Who's hot and who's not? Well, conversations like that, they just seem like a thing of the past and makes me so sad.
Marie is honest and open with her sister over her own emotional reactions, fears, and lack of understanding. She reminds her of the bigger picture, of happier times in the past and how she misses those times. She affirms her love and support for her sister. She sets her own boundaries by refusing to listen to harm talk.
Being hungry all the time just takes over. Apparently, the book says, being hungry all the time makes it difficult for me to regulate my emotions.
Okay, so you do get hungry. So you get hungry, but you find it difficult to eat. Why then do you find it difficult to, for example, eat what's on the meal plan, say for today?
I know, I guess to other people it's totally irrational. But when I sit down, all these thoughts go through my head. How if I eat that chicken salad or whatever, by tonight I'll have put on half a stone and I'd rather die than... Sorry, I don't mean that. Also, I don't deserve your love and care, and I don't deserve happiness. And it's easy not to eat because then I feel better.
So you're sitting down at dinner and we've all started eating and your thoughts are going haywire with all these illogical thoughts. And are these the thoughts that are wreaking havoc on that golden future that I was talking about?
Yeah, I guess when you put it like that, yep, that's about it.
Interesting. Okay, so we need to do something about these thoughts. I mean, I guess it's no use for me to tell you that they're stupid or untrue, because they're obviously real for you. Otherwise, you'd just be able to tell them to bugger off yourself, wouldn't you?
I guess.
So we need an action plan. I know we've been trying to do this, but we've been trying to reassure you and tell you that you need to eat and that we don't want you to die, and on and on and on, but maybe that's just not the best.
No, it actually puts more pressure on me. I feel bad enough not being able to eat.
So we need to find you some distractions before and after dinner, because not only do you need to eat, but you need to keep the nutrition in the temple, so to speak. Because to get better, that's for your body to get healthy again. The actual long-lasting damage, that's the part that frightens me.
The $6 million question.
So what about some dinner games?
Like, who's hot and who's not, by any chance? Is there something you want to tell me?
Marie turns the conversation round to a more proactive tone, in that she is interested in the thought processes that are stopping her sister eating. She assumes a creative problem-solving role in coming up with possible helpful solutions or ideas to tackle the issue of the obsessive-compulsive thoughts during mealtimes.
Yeah, actually, I do. I need your advice.
Well, I'm all ears. I'm sorry. It's been a while since I've considered that other people may have their own issues. Tell me about it.
Right, hell I will. I'm going to save it until during dinner. My issues are going to be a weapon against those bloody weird thoughts that you're having. Come on. Dad said he wanted me to pick up the papers from the newsagents. Do you want to come?
Thanks for your support. It makes all the difference knowing that you're there.
It's okay, sis. It's a mutual thing, because I need you to.
Marie then highlights her own needs in a subtle manner, passing some responsibility onto her sister for her to empathise with Marie's own issues and life concerns.